Picked up my faces up from the second shop yesterday before work. They look way better. The finishes all match each other from center cap to face. There's no more dirt, no more air bubbles. Everything looks good. Tape line's better. It's not perfect, but definitely better than that slop the other shop produced. Yeah, these are originally I bought them as 18 by 11 and 18 by 10 plus 10 on both front and rear. They were a little aggressive for the van. I was running like -7 in the rear just to fit it under, but I will be going to a 18 by 10.75 front and rear now. I'm swapping the lips with the barrels. They're both going to be 18 by 10.5, not 18.75. Smaller rear barrel, smaller lip on the bigger rear barrel. Gonna run staggered, reverse staggered, I guess you want to call it. I'm gonna run the bigger lips up front, the smaller lips in the rear, because I need to pull some camber out. I got a decent amount of wear on these things already. Like, they shouldn't be round, but they are. So I'm gonna try to pull some camber out. I'm not trying to run -7. Hopefully I'll be back down to like 3, -2, -3. I don't know, somewhere around there. But yeah, this is both 10.75.
Again, 10.5, not 10.75.
This is $11 original, and this is the other one. Let me try to swap it out real quick. This is the original stagger. This is an 11 on the left, 10 on the right. So I'm not going to be changing too much, but that is a lot in terms of camber. So hopefully with the new specs, I'll get a lot more tread life out of these tires, because 7's a little aggressive. But I'll be doing that today. Show you this fat bike. I'll be building a full suspension soon. But this is a solar panel. I'm waiting on my battle arrow mounts to come in. I emailed them. They said they were gonna ship them out next week sometime. I got this dude at work. He's gonna CNC me some brackets to go from wing to, or solar panel to battle arrow mounts. We'll see how good his skills are. But yeah, started ordering parts for the fat bike build already. I might throw this on this frame for now. The carbon company's down for New Year's. Yes, I am buying a Chinese frame. But yeah, I'll pull the different offsets up and test fit and see how it goes. Everything looks good so far. The offset of this setup is plus about 36 10.5 or 18 by 10.5 plus 36. It used to be 11 plus 10, but nothing rubs. This free iPad from my buddy. Still no rubbing, but I got mad clearance now. I can fit my whole hand in there now. That's craziness. Put another bolt in. But yeah, this shot powder coated my lug nut holes too. I guess gotta keep an eye out for that. Retorque these suckers. Yeah, these were straight. No clearance before. But yeah, it looks like I could pull up probably a good 4 to 5 degrees of camber back out. So this is gonna work way better. Coming pretty close on the inside, but I think once I pull that camber out, it should be fine. Probably got like, I don't know, 1/4 inch clearance right now. That might be full travel anyways. Let's see. Yep, definitely hits right there. But yeah, I think once I pull this camber out, I should have plenty of clearance. But yeah, it hits. Right there you can see, like, well, that's my fingernail, but it's right on the lip. But again, that's because I have so much camber in this thing right now. Yeah, pretty sure I'm gonna go with these specs instead of the wider ones. I'm gonna bolt up the front one and test fit that one.
I need to check anything. Might as well do it. I'm gonna take it apart.
Front wheel looks good. There's definitely no rubbage on the inside, and I already pulled the crap out of my fenders, so I don't really care about offset in front too much. I think I run like a -2 up front right now. Probably just gonna keep that camber, but the front is more aggressive now. This is it's 10.5 up front now, 10.5 in the rear. You can definitely tell it's a little bit more aggressive than it was. It's 1.5 inch, but offset's crazier. Out. What the fuck? if I ever decide to take the mud tires off, I think these are gonna go pretty hard with some regular size tires on them. Specs are pretty solid compared to what they were, but I can't wait. I'm gonna bolt these all up and seal it dry. Probably mount the tires up next weekend. I have some time. But if you didn't know about this van, I got some biggest brakes Honda ever made. Pilot on this thing. I think they're like either a little bit bigger than 13 or right under 13 inches. But these suckers are massive. I'll never really get to use them, but fuckers are huge. But yeah, basic setup. BC coils, universal airbags, AccuAir management. That's pretty much it, man. And whatever you see cosmetics wise. But I can't wait for all this to be done. Actually use this thing. Bolt these wheels together. See you guys next time.